Alright, I got a project today. Nothing I like to see more than a trailer full of redwood. Lattice and stuff is for something else, but for this, a few of the pieces underneath. Gonna make ourselves a little raised garden for the homie. Let's get to it. Alright, got them all trimmed down. Gonna attach them to the legs now. I've got the leg raised up 1.5 inches because I don't want the leg to be flush with the top of the box. So this will sit flat here, giving me 1.5 inch recess on the legs. I don't know why. Feeling crazy. Feeling like it might be aesthetically pleasing.
Alright, as you can see, I made them in 2 different pieces. Just makes it a little bit easier. Some people could do it how they want to do it. That's how I decided to do it. Now they come together. Bada bing, a bada boom.
my phone turned off because it got too hot out here. I'm almost wondering if I should take that as a sign. But I don't know if you saw me put those two clamps together. That's always a good method for if you don't have long enough clamps, like I thought I did, but I was off about an inch. And you can put them together. God, I'm good. Look at that grain. Look how it lines up. It looks like a solid board. Oi. Oi. Fleischmann. Alright, so I'm going to do a slat bottom. Cover it with chicken wire. Cover it with the garden cloth, which should hold the dirt. I don't think the gaps are big enough to where between those two layers it should fall out, based off of research and experience with making other ones. It works good. But one thing I did forget is I want these slats to sit on a sill. So they're not sitting on the bottom of the box to make it give it a more of a flush look. So I forgot the lumber for that. But my stockpile, I don't mean my toilet paper, stay away. Found myself a piece of pressure treated plywood, which I don't ever use. I used for one project and I kept that piece because you know what? You never know. Here we go. Alright people, it's too hot out here. My phone keeps shutting off. It ain't happy with me. But I will persevere. I will finish the project. And when it's done, I'll give you an updated little video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay cool. Alright people, here we go. She's sanded. And now I'm going to attempt to spray it. I'm going to be using a Spar-urethane semi-gloss. Should give it a nice little finish, protect it a little bit. Dirt, what have you.